Hi there! I have some exciting news for Olympus pen lovers. Olympus just released a new camera to the pen series, the Pen EPL9. I had a chance to test it out last week. It was a sample version and so it was not the final production version. Thanks to Olympus Finland for letting me test the new PL9 before its release. Okay, let's take a quick look on the new Olympus Pen PL9. The biggest improvement in my opinion is compared to the PL8 is the shareability of the photos. PL9 has a combined Wi-Fi and Bluetooth LE. I quote the material I got from Olympus. Simply tap import photos in the OE Share app installed on your smartphone to view the photos taken with EPL9 or transfer chosen images to your phone for easy sharing on social media. New combined Wi-Fi and Bluetooth LE connection lets you activate sleeping camera via the app. End of quote. What this actually means is that you can put the PL9 in your bag and take out your mobile phone to browse the photos. The app will wake up the camera, so it can be turned off. It also can transfer the photos you want by simply pressing the share button in the back while browsing the photos in the camera. When you turn off the PL9, it automatically transfers the chosen pictures to your mobile phone. Pretty cool feature, isn't it? As they say, picture does not exist if not shared in social media, so sharing is very important. Please Olympus, if I ask very nicely, could you include that in future OMD models as well? Pros need that too. We also like to share our pictures. Another improvement is the pop-up flash. The design is quite clever. By holding your finger like this, you can bounce the light from a ceiling to get a softer light compared to a straight flash. New PL9 can shoot 4K video in 30 frames per second. Pen series has been very popular camera among bloggers and vloggers. So that's good news for video making bloggers. The advantage in 4K is the ability to crop the image in post like this. What's also great, videos can be shot handheld. Pen PL9 has a 3-axis image stabilization in the sensor. It can stabilize shots up to 4 stops. This clip was shot handheld. But the only minus on video shooting is that the new PL9 does not have a microphone jack. You can only use the internal microphone. I think the microphone jack is very essential to get better audio on your videos. Of course you can always use an external recorder. It's not a bad idea to have an external recorder, but still I think mic jack is very important. What are the other major differences compared to PL8 then? PL8 had 81 AF points and PL9 has 121. TruePic 7 engine is upgraded to version 8 for better performance. New user interface, touchscreen to select art filters, etc. Olympus also included Panorama Mode in the new PL9. It works the same way as in smartphones. You swipe the camera across the scene and PL9 records the scene as a panorama. It can shoot both horizontal or vertical panoramas. As I said, I had PL9 for a couple of days to shoot with. It performed very nicely and I like the picture quality and everything. I will make a more deeper test with better time in the spring as the pen has hit the stores, which is in March. The price with the kit lens is around 700 euros. The price varies a little because the difference is in sale taxes in different countries. Thanks for watching. This was a quick introduction to the new Olympus Pen EPL9. If you like the stuff, please consider subscribing to my channel so you don't miss any videos in the future, present or past. Well, bye for now and see you soon.